Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can claim your website on Squarespace on Pinterest. So let's get right into it. Now, to claim your Squarespace site through Pinterest, it's actually really easy. So let me just switch to Pinterest really quickly. This is my Pinterest account. And what we're going to do is click on this arrow in the top right, which is named Accounts and More Options. And then we're going to go into Settings. Here we're going to go into Claimed Accounts. Click Claim next to Websites, and now you can use the HTML tag, the TXT record, or upload an HTML file. We're going to be using the HTML tag, so just copy this tag over here, and then you can continue. Now you need to enter your website URL and verify, but first what we're going to do is we're going to go over to our Squarespace website, click on Pages, and scroll all the way down until we get to Website Tools, and click on Code Injection. Now under the header tag, under everything else you might have, just enter the Pinterest tag that we've copied over, and then after that we are gonna go over back to Pinterest. Now first we're gonna need to save. We're gonna go back, and first we're gonna go ahead and copy our URL, which is in the top. I'll just copy it over here. Then we're gonna go back into Pinterest, click here and click verify, and after a couple of seconds, as you can see, verification is in progress, and they'll email you within the next hour with the update. And that is pretty much all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.